equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the screen on your Asus F543UA laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you do this. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Next, locate the screen connector. It's usually found near the hinges. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Now, we need to remove the screen itself. Look for screws around the edges of the screen. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them safe. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be careful, as the screen may still be connected by a cable. If you're replacing the screen, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Connect the cable securely, ensuring it's properly seated. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the new screen is in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus F543UA laptop. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Remember, no calls, no travel, just simple, effective service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.